Hello friends, hope you're all doing good. Welcome back to my channel. So today's recipe is something with lotus stem. Now winter is here and you'll find a lot of lotus stem in the market. Earlier I have made many recipes as this is a Sindhi delicacy. We made curry, we made snacks. Today's recipe is a simpler one. We are going to make crispy fried thin slices of lotus stem. They'll be coated, dusted with corn flour, rice flour, and then deep fried to a crispy texture. You can sprinkle any spice you like on top and enjoy it in the evening as an evening snack. So let's make them and enjoy.
Crispy fried lotus stem. For this, take lotus stems as required. Remove the outer skin by scraping it. Cut out thin slices. These are usually covered with mud, so you have to wash them very well. Cut them thin like these. If you want still thinner, you can use the slicer, potato slicer. So you can see there's still mud inside, so we are going to blanch them. Take water in a pot, about 3 cups. Put the lotus slices into them. Add some salt, about half teaspoon. Put it on the gas and bring it to a boil. After one boil, you switch off the gas. You can see already the mud has come out. The water is so muddy. Keep them covered for 5 minutes and then strain them. Now you can see they are so nice and clean. All the mud stuck inside the slices, holes in between has come out. And they are partially cooked as well. Spread them in a tray. Let them cool down a bit. Now you can put them into a larger bowl for dusting the flowers. Add 1 tablespoon each of rice flour and corn flour, which is also known as cornstarch. Mix them lightly with your fingers so that they don't break. See that the flours are coated very well on the slices. Now heat oil, preferably in a wider pan. Check the temperature. Once the oil is hot, dip in the lotus stems, the coated slices. Do subscribe the channel if you have not done so and click the bell icon. Choose the all option so that you don't miss out any updates. Now all the slices have gone in. You have to turn them with a spatula time to time. Reduce the flame and keep adjusting between medium and low. You can see the color is changing. You have to get a nice and crispy texture. In between you can take out a slice and check. Lovely. I think they are done now. Total time taken was 8 minutes. If you cut them very thin, then it may take between 5 to 6 minutes. Remove them on a kitchen tissue. Now you can sprinkle any spice you like. I am sprinkling chaat masala, about 1 teaspoon, and some black pepper. You can also use chilli flakes instead, or roasted cumin powder, whatever you like. Look at this, so nice and crispy. Wow, yummy, very crunchy, awesome. Makes a great tea time snack. I hope you like this recipe. Do give it a try. If you want to make them during fasting period, you can dust them with buckwheat flour or barnyard millet flour and use senda namak, rock salt. Thanks for watching this video. Check out some from the playlist shared here. Stay tuned for the next recipe. Bye until then. Take care.